Let's talk about topping and tailing your baby, which is a gentle way to keep them clean without needing to bath them every day. Instead of a full bath, you might prefer to wash their face, neck, hands and bottom. Pick a time when your baby is awake and content and make sure the room is warm and cosy. Before you begin, gather everything you need. A bowl of warm water, a towel, cotton wool, a fresh nappy and clean clothes if necessary. Start by holding your baby on your knee or laying them on a changing mat. Take off all their clothes except their vest and nappy and wrap them in a towel to keep them warm. Dip a piece of cotton wool into the warm water and gently wipe around your baby's eyes from the nose outwards. Make sure to use a fresh piece for each eye. Next, use fresh cotton wool to clean around your baby's ears but never inside them. Continue to gently wash their face, neck and hands with cotton wool, then dry them with a towel. Now, take off the nappy and wash your baby's nappy area using fresh cotton wool and warm water. Make sure you dry between the skin folds and then pop on a clean nappy. If your baby's umbilical cord stump is still attached, you don't need to wash around it unless it's soiled. If it's dirty with pee or poo, use fresh cotton wool and warm water to clean it, then gently pat dry with a towel. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to keep your baby clean and comfortable.